I guess it really doesn't matter what time I get up because I seem to be hitting the road at 8 o'clock every single day on this trip. Been wanting to get out earlier because it's cooler, but it doesn't matter. 8 o'clock every day. So anyway, I'm just stopped at Walgreens to fill up on some supplies and gonna hit the road. Short day, 30 miles. This truck is very loud. So short day, 30 miles, but I do have a tough day after that, 60 miles to Taos. So I'm gonna get there and get settled in and do some laundry and get ready for the next day. But there's supposed to be some historic railroad here too, so I'm gonna try and check that out. Yeah, so far nice day, sunny, but feels cool right now, so I'm gonna try and take advantage of it. Alright, almost to Antonito. Just about 7 more miles left. Good timing too, because the wind's starting to pick up a little. Another headwind, of course. And this valley's definitely known for its wind that usually picks up early afternoon. I'll be happy to be off the road probably less than an hour. So this is apparently at least the grounds of the oldest or first permanent church in Colorado. It was rebuilt, I think, in the 1920s after a fire. Here's the #1 way to identify that someone's on a bicycle tour. The awesome suntan lines. I got the gap for my glove and the little spotted holes. It must not have moved much. Alright, so tomorrow is my last day of riding. I'm in Antonito. I'm in Antonito. At the Narrow Guage Railway Inn hotel. It's a very, very old hotel. Looks kind of creepo, but I mean, it's definitely a little run down, but it looks clean. I mean, the bathrooms are clean. Things are just need some maintenance. So here's the bathroom behind me. The Kleenex isn't even in the Kleenex holder. There's no there's toilet paper, but there's no toilet paper holder. And not that I'm worried about it, but definitely high security too with the lock. So let's see. And it's all cinder block walls, and this might even be a shower curtain. But anyway, it has AC, and it has this awesome like 20-inch computer monitor for a TV. I'm gonna go check out the railroad and just kind of check out the small little town. But super cheap to stay here, and there really isn't anything, since I have 60 to 65 miles tomorrow to get to Taos to pick up my rental car. There is nothing anywhere around here, and the National Forest land that I was looking at, the BLM stuff, is just too far today. Again, I've got that headwind, so I'm going to try and get out of here really, really early, maybe even before the sun comes up, and get a jump on the headwind tomorrow, and get out while it's cooler. And get a little bit more climb, I think 500 feet in elevation, and then I am downhill all the way to Taos, I believe, or at least to the Rio Grande River. So anyway, I'm going to get showered and then go check out the Railroad Museum. Last day of riding tomorrow also brings significant importance of no more laundry. No more sink laundry. Tonight's my last night to do sink laundry.